Net zero is the state where all human-caused greenhouse gas emissions are offset, meaning there may be emissions, but they're counterbalanced with reductions. The United Nations has emphasized the need for global net zero emissions by 2050 to maintain a livable planet. That's a tall order, but achievable if we break it down to the enterprise level. To achieve net zero emissions, companies need to set net zero targets. Reaching those targets requires incremental steps like establishing clear accountability, investing in sustainable tech, and adopting sustainability management software and frameworks. Net zero goals are usually part of an organization's larger ESG strategy. Some criticisms of net zero say that investments in carbon removal projects can be a form of greenwashing. Others say that net zero pledges rely too heavily on carbon capture technology that just hasn't been invented yet. And while we wait for net zero to become a matter of compliance through legislation, thousands of corporations have joined the movement to neutralize greenhouse gas emissions, like HPE, Amazon, Patagonia, and IBM.